Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your MetroPCS SIM card, follow these easy steps to get your phone service up and running. Step 1. Purchase a MetroPCS SIM card from a MetroPCS store, authorized dealer, or online through their website. Step 2. Power off your phone completely before inserting the new SIM card to avoid any technical issues. Step 3. Locate your phone's SIM card slot, which is usually on the side of the device or under the battery cover, and insert the MetroPCS SIM card. Step 4. Power your phone back on and wait for it to boot up completely. Step 5. Call 611 from your MetroPCS phone or dial 1-888-863-8768 from any phone to reach MetroPCS customer service for activation. Step 6. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a customer service representative to activate your SIM card by providing your account information and the SIM card number printed on the card. Step 7. Wait for the activation process to complete, which usually takes just a few minutes but can take up to 24 hours in some cases. Step 8. Once activated, restart your phone one more time to ensure proper connection to the MetroPCS network, and test your service by making a call or sending a text message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.